Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xander from Fun King 3D, and you're watching Xander's Thing Thursday. Being that it is so close to Christmas, I thought it was about time to print some presents.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Listen, I had this most amazing Christmas print planned, but Thingiverse went off the rails and I couldn't access my collection, so I couldn't print the model. So I bring to you this awesome vase that I printed for my mom for Christmas. This is the modern vase designed by Qbatronix on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below, but I doubt that it will work. Thank you, Thingiverse. This was printed on the Creality CR10S Pro with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This was printed in vase mode. The filament we used was an unnamed silky lavender provided to us by the amazing Walter from Country 3D. Thank you, Walter, for sending us this filament. This model looks really cool, it printed really well, and this filament really makes it pop. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next time, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so the Supreme Court of the United States has a basketball court on the 5th floor, aptly named the highest court in the nation.
Do you get it?